Is your Apple Pencil unresponsive? Here's how to fix it. Check if the Apple Pencil is compatible with your iPad. Find your iPad model. Go to your iPad settings. Tap on General. Find the About section. Look for the model name of your iPad. First generation Apple Pencil works with these models: iPad Air, 3rd generation, iPad Mini, 5th generation, iPad, at least 6th generation, iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 1st and 2nd generations, iPad Pro 10.5-inch, iPad Pro 9.7-inch. 2nd generation Apple Pencil works with iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 3rd generation and later, iPad Pro 11-inch. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Pair your Apple Pencil and iPad. Pairing a first-generation Apple Pencil. Take off the cap from the end of your Apple Pencil to reveal the Lightning connector. Plug the Lightning connector into the port on your iPad. Make sure it fits snugly. If it doesn't go in all the way, gently clean the port with an anti-static brush to remove any lint or debris. A Pair button will appear on your iPad screen once connected. Tap it to complete the pairing process. Pairing a second-generation Apple Pencil. Place the magnetic edge of the Apple Pencil on the right side of your iPad Pro, where the volume buttons are located. A Connect button will appear on your iPad Pro screen. Tap it to finish pairing. Charge the Apple Pencil. Charge your pencil for at least 15 minutes before testing it out again. On the home screen, swipe from left to right to access Today View. Alternatively, within an app, pull down from the top of the screen to access the Notification Center, then swipe from left to right. Look for the Batteries widget to see the charge level of your Apple Pencil. If you don't see the charge level, tap Edit at the bottom of the Today View page. Add the Batteries widget from the list of available widgets. Restart your iPad or iPad Pro. Sometimes, minor software glitches or temporary bugs can interfere with the connection between your iPad and Apple Pencil. Restarting the device can clear these issues and restore normal functionality. Reset and reconnect your Apple Pencil. Open the Settings app on your iPad or iPad Pro. Tap on Bluetooth. Look for your Apple Pencil under the My Devices section. Tap the blue I button next to your Apple Pencil and choose Forget this device. Turn off your iPad and then turn it back on. Then, connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad. If you have a first-generation Apple Pencil, plug it into the Lightning port. For the second-generation Apple Pencil, attach it to the magnetic connector on the side of your iPad. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Tighten or replace the tip on your Apple Pencil. Try twisting the tip of your Apple Pencil clockwise. This should secure it and improve performance. If you have a first-generation Apple Pencil and tightening the tip doesn't help, you can replace it with the spare tip that came with your pencil. If you don't have a spare tip or need more, you can purchase a pack of 4 replacement tips from Apple. Update your iPhone or iPad. Go to your device settings. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is possible, tap Download and Install or Install Now. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.